Welcome to My Research Outputs, an introduction to managing your publication records in Symplectic Elements. Log in to Symplectic Elements at oxris.ox.ac.uk using your SSO and password, or visit the Symplectic Elements webpage and click the red Login button. To view publications linked to you in Elements, click on Research Outputs, Claimed, or View All Links in the Research Outputs tile. Alternatively, click on the hamburger icon at the top left of your home page to open the menu. View the My Profile tab and click the link to Research Outputs beneath My Work. Your My Research Outputs page opens and includes links to your claimed, pending, and rejected outputs. Click on Pending to view a list of items harvested by Elements that may belong to you. Scroll down the page to browse your pending outputs. When you find an item that is your work, click the Claim button to add it to your claimed list, or click the Reject button to move it to your list of rejected items to confirm the output does not belong to you. If an output is not found by Elements, you will need to make a manual record of your research. Begin by clicking the blue button with a plus sign at the top right of your My Research Outputs page. The Add New Research Output box opens with a list of output types you can record in Elements. Select the output type of the research you want to record. Next, enter the title of your output to search whether Elements already holds it, or click Skip to continue with making the record. If your output is found, claim the record, otherwise click Go to Next Step at the foot of the page. In the next section, you add mandatory information about your output, indicated by the red asterisks, and complete relevant fields to enhance the record. When you have completed the form, click the blue Save button at the foot of the page. You can browse your outputs one page at a time by clicking the Next and Previous buttons, and scrolling up and down each page. You can also sort the list by selecting an option from the drop-down menu, for example, Sort by First Author A to Z, or use a combination of filters in the right-hand sidebar to limit the list. For example, tick the check boxes for Research Output Type to Journal Article and Relationship Type to Author of, and add a relevant key term to the title field. Each publication record presents data collected by Elements in 7 tabs. By default, each record displays a summary of the output's bibliographic data. On this tab, you have options to edit output type, jump to the publisher's web page of the output by clicking on the DOI, copy the DOI to the clipboard on your computer, and deposit a file to the Oxford Research Archive, ORA, by clicking the blue Deposit button. Click the Metrics tab to view article and journal level metrics for the publication. Click the Deposits tab to view files uploaded to ORA. Click the Labels tab to view how many labels have been added from each label scheme available in Elements. Click the Relationships tab to view colleagues, grants, records of impact, and publications in Elements that are linked to the record. To add more links with the record, click the blue circle with a plus sign inside the Relationships tab. Click the Sources tab to view a list of the data sources that comprise the publication record. The tab includes options to set a source as a preferred record and to split a data source from the record. The History tab displays a log of all activities performed against the record. Use the scroll bar on the right of the tab to view every activity. If you want to change the focus of all of your records, use the drop-down menu to select the tab you prefer all your publications display. Each output record includes a fixed header with options for you to view the object page of the output by clicking the title. Mark and unmark the output as a favorite by clicking the heart icon on and off. Manage the privacy settings of the output by clicking on the globe icon. click the 3 bullet point icon to open links to view the object page of the output, to add the record to the workspace for merging with a duplicate record, and rejecting the output.